On today's episode, I will show you a few ways to remove stickers off your glass jars. It's always great to have empty jars sitting around, but removing the stickers can be a real pain. There are several ways that you can do this depending on how strong the adhesive is or how aggressive it is. This one is really aggressive, but I'm going to show you a few tips. Now the first thing you can try is filling your jar with hot water. Now if the adhesive is not extremely aggressive, the heat from the hot water will actually sort of loosen the adhesive. In this case, it's not good enough to remove all that adhesive. So in this case, just remove as much as you can. And then we'll move on to second tip. The second thing that you can try is take a paper towel with a little bit of olive oil. Literally just rub that on. And as you can see, this adhesive is still too aggressive for this method. So we'll have to move on to the next tip. Soak your jar in a pot of hot water. Now those other methods were less labor intensive, but if they don't work, you can always take a wooden or bamboo spatula and just scrape that off. And just let it sit again in the hot water for a few seconds. Now that you have most of the adhesive gone, just finish off, wash with dish soap. And just like that, you have a brand new, beautiful glass jar.